What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. We here at Marshall's in Glendale. They usually have some good stuff. Last time we were here, we found some heat. Let's go ahead and see if we can find something. I'm looking for something specific, so let's go ahead and see if we can find any heat and if we find what I'm looking for, you dig? Make sure you smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Let's go. These are two pretty good shoes also. They're only 35 bucks here. Again, not the type of shoe we're looking for. Neither one of these. Those are pretty good shoes though. Let's go ahead. Oh, these are dope too. For girls, we're looking for shoes for females today. I gotta surprise somebody. These are not bad, bro. 30 bucks. Got some more Adidas down here. Some shell toes. Or no, not shell toes. My bad. Not shell toes. Some Converse. They're just some little white shoes, huh? What's going on in here? Some cloud foams. Some Pumas. Oh, sorry. Let's go around, check them out. Oh, we were just on this aisle over here. We were just here. Some white shoes. No. Let's go ahead and see what's around the other aisles, ladies and gentlemen. Haven't found what we were looking for. Some okay shoes for your liking. If you like these shoes, let me know in the comment section below. Some Under Armours. These are for kids. Telling you, like I've said in all my other videos, when I stop by Ross, Marshalls, anything like that, you need to come and check them out if you got little ones or even for yourself on some budget. Look at these. These are not too bad. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? $30. No Boost on here, but these are still pretty cool. More of a summertime shoe, but I don't know. Let me know what you think about these. Nothing. So far, nothing. Oh, what are these? What are these guys? Y'all know all about these. I got them for $54. Not a bad price point at all. Let me know if you guys like these or not. You guys seen the recent video on my channel. I got the Sprites and this penny right there. Nothing against the wall. Let's go ahead and down the aisle and see what's up. These are not bad. 29 bucks. These might be too. I think more so a lower cut shoe would be cool. These are not bad. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? You got cleats. You got these pennies in the original colorway. Very nice shoe. Kind of a bulky shoe. I don't know what the price point is on here. I don't see a tag. Very nice shoe though. Those are classics, but I don't know how many of you guys own those or want to own yourself a pair, but you can definitely find those at some of the Marshalls and Ross. I've been seeing these. What kind of Iversons are these? The answers. The question. He was the answer. New Balances. It's a good thing I went here first, you know, just to see what's going on, if there's anything here to my liking for today. And we're not going with the Curry Dad shoes. I don't know. I don't really see nothing. So far, so dry. Some more pennies. What's the price point on them again? 39 bucks. Some Huaraches. This is the latest model Huaraches. Only $27. Latest model Huaraches. What size is this? 6.5 right there. 25 bucks. 6.5. That's not a bad shoe. But we need 7. Size 7 and no. Okay, let's go on. We got 2 more aisles to check out and see if we can find something to their liking. Nothing on this right side. These right here, not too big a fan. They got sizes of them though. They got sizes of them for sure. some Boost. Let's go ahead and check it out because I don't see it on display. So let's see what these Boost boxes right here are talking about. Okay. Dropping all kinds of stuff. You can't be dropping it, man. These zero tempos. What do y'all think about those in the comment section? Kind of a dry situation, man. I hate to bring you out to something so dry, man. Let's see if we can make this thing wet. Let's see if we can make this wet. This is the last hour. This is where usually all the heat does be. And so far, no good. These are not bad. But this is not what we're looking for. But these are not bad right here. 40 bucks. You got some Alpha Bounces. 30, 40, 49 bucks, so 50 bucks for these. Some more Adidas, $39. Man, I wish it could have been a better trip. These are not bad. These New Balances right here are not too bad. Got that purple suede on there. Man, these are not too bad though. I don't know what the price is on them. What do you guys think about these in the comment section? Oh, they are 59 bucks. Then you got some of these cloud foams here. This might be the best shoe we've seen so far today. Best shoe we've seen so far today. What do you guys think about this in the comment section below? Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video. Nothing. Some more of these. Uh-oh. Last Desire Hope. What's in here? Oh. Okay. They got some sizes here in these too. What do you think about these in the comment section? They didn't have my size, so I can't try them on. They got a size 12 down there. What do you guys think about these spikes though? These look pretty fire if you ask me. Wow. Let's put these down here and check out that price tag. Ready? Drum roll. Is it worth it? Let me know what you think about these in the comment section. Is it worth the $80 price point? Yes or no? Let me know in the comment section below. These are pretty dope. These are actually pretty dope, bro. Let's see if we could try something on, even though it's a size 12. Let's see if my foot could even fit in it. That's crazy. Let's try and see what's here. For some reason, my camera was cutting off. I don't know if you guys can hear me. These Jordans aren't bad. $32. Not really what we're looking for today. These New Balances are pretty cool too. Some classics. What are they going for? Got a tag down here for 29 bucks. 29 bucks is not bad. That's not what we're looking for today. Okay. What are these? I think we've seen these before here. $40. That's a pretty good price point for these. Might be in the winter time for that. Looks like this would glow in the dark, but I know it doesn't. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Let's see. Got some Jordan Futures. You guys a fan of these? 40 bucks. I don't know. Bottoms still look good though. Bottoms look good on these. What do you guys think about those? Let's see what else they got here. Best shoe in the building right here. Boom. Let's pull these out and get a closer look. These are Jordan Spikes. I think I've owned a pair actually before, and they were like this model, different colorway. This one is dope, bro. What do you guys think about these spikes? I was surprised that they had them here. They're only going for 80. I seen them on GOAT, brand new for 130. That's a cool little movement right there. If you guys are into doing that, or you guys want a pair yourself, if you're in the Glendale area, come out here and check them out. Dead stock. So you guys saw what we found here. Them spikes was pretty dope. Let me know what you guys think about the shoes in the comment section below. Of course, smash the like button, share the video with everybody you know so more people can see your boy Bossco. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm about to get out of here. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.